Hi everybody, this is Bouncing Fig and I am just near the airport in Langkawi, which is an island in Malaysia. Sama kat sini dah, Dek? Macam tu kan.
Special lah kita kat sini pekat lah.
Pekat yang lain pun dia orang cakap pekat.
Oh, pekat juga.
Resepi siapa, Dek?
Resepi ayah.
Ayah. So ayah masih hidup ada?
Ada, ayah ada lagi.
Nama?
Tapi cuma Mahdzir.
Mahdzir.
Ayah Mahdzir. Cuma sekarang ni saya sebagai anak nak ambil macam nak bagi ayah rehat. Macam tu lah.
Adik nama siapa?
Shafiq.
Shafiq. So apa ikan apa yang guna?
Ikan temenung.
Apa nama?
Ikan temenung. Ikan kembung.
Kembung tu daripada asal Langkawi.
Ikan kembung Langkawi lah.
Memang bahan ayam golek semua ada. Kenapa?
Ayam golek ni sebagai kelainan lah daripada kedai-kedai lain.
Okay.
Kalau dekat sini dikenali dengan sebagai ayam golek. Kalau orang cakap laksa yang ada ayam golek tu kat sini je.
I've just stopped by for tea, a little bit hungry, and I am having laksa. And usually laksa, you would actually think, you know, it's more nyonya, it's a bit sour, you know, it's a clear soup. But here, it's a little bit more Malay style, and the broth is a little bit more cloudy, and you have just a few vegetables and lots of chili. Shafiq also serves a salad which has fried condiments and, you know, bits and pieces of, and of course I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna have a little bit of syrup, rose syrup, before I dig into the laksa. Fish cake and tofu and vegetables, and this salad is actually well known in Penang. It's called pasambur, but they also serve it here. Lovely. Shafiq's dad Mahdzir's recipe is really clean tasting and full of fish, lots and lots of seafood flavor going in, and you know that he doesn't muck around with it because, you know, the vegetables come out, the noodles are nice and light, and you can see that there's bits of tamarind as well to balance the spiciness and the fishiness. It cuts through that. So the special thing about the laksa here, and in many parts of Langkawi, you have a whole fish that comes with it. See? Oh yes, sweet, fresh. Okay, now we've got the pasambur. Look at that, huge plate of pasambur. This is definitely it has a Malay twist to it. There's less sort of spices in it, more chili, onions and garlic, and you will always find some fresh salad such as cucumber and jicama with it. Let's check out the beach. Beautiful ambiance.